Use the predictor to help pupils to write more accurately and fluently. To turn it on, click the predictor icon at the top of the screen. You'll then see a list of suggestions beneath the cursor. Click a suggestion to put it into the document. If you'd like to listen to a word before putting it into the document, hover the cursor over the word and then tap with 2 fingers on the touchpad.
Man.
Click it again to put it into the document. As you type, the predictor will offer different words. If you misspell a word, the predictor will make suggestions based on the sounds of the letters that you've typed. These are displayed in grey.
The man played football.
If you are using a word bank at the same time as the predictor, it will move to sit above the word bank. The predictor will offer words from the word bank. We can see this as I start to type athletic. Athletic is now offered in both the predictor and the word bank. To change the settings for the predictor, click the cog in the top right, choose Suggestions and Predictor. Here you can choose whether to use sounds like prediction, whether you'd like the predictor to offer the next word before you start typing it, and the size of the vocabulary database. If we go back, you can change the number of words suggested in the predictor from 3 to 8 and the size of the display.